This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Open the tailgate, undo the 2 screws and pull the light unit rearwards from place. Disconnect the wiring plug. Undo the 4 retaining screws and remove the bulb holder assembly. Push the relevant bulb in slightly and twist anti-clockwise to remove it. Align the bulb pins with the slots in the bulb holder, push it into place, then twist it clockwise a little to secure it. Note that the stop tail light bulb has offset locating pins to prevent it being installed incorrectly. Refit the bulb holder to the light unit and secure it with the 4 retaining screws. Reconnect the wiring plug and position the light unit on the pillar. Refit and securely tighten the retaining screws.